What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I wanted to do a quick video on these cases. These cases are for supposedly the OnePlus 7 that's going to be announced. The announcement for the announcement on April 23rd, and then the official release will be on May 14th. They're going to actually release two models, the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro. But we'll talk about that in a little bit. Now, this is from Tudia, and this is the OnePlus 7 cases. These are the Merge cases. You got a gray one and a black one. The cool thing is that the OnePlus 7 will have that pop-up camera. So you see the opening there for the pop-up camera. So I kind of just wanted to show you the cases that it's also, the OnePlus 7 is going to have some dual rear cameras, as you can see here from that layout. Now, you're going to have a couple differences when it comes to the OnePlus 7, the OnePlus 7 Pro. The Pro is going to have a Quad HD screen. It's going to have a 4,000 milliamp battery. It's going to have a curved display. So not sure what the price is going to be for that, because usually the OnePlus phones come in at around $579 around there. So not sure how much these phones are going to be, but these are the cases from Tudia. Thank you so much for sending this out. I want to give a big shout out to Tudia for sending this out. But there is the hole for the pop-up camera right there, and you have the dual cameras on the back. Also, the OnePlus 7 Pro is going to have a 90 Hertz screen, so it'll be good for gaming and all that good stuff. But yeah, I don't know what you guys think about this OnePlus 7 having the pop-up camera. I'm not sure if that's going to be sexy or what. We'll have to find that out, but this is kind of cool that they have, and it does look like they're going to have the alert slider here so that you could turn it from vibrate to notifications right there on the side. So they're going to keep that kind of like the iPhone. But those are the cases for the OnePlus 7 that's going to be dropping next month, May 14th. So I kind of wanted to show them off. These are really good, heavy duty. Tudia makes some really good cases for a lot of different phones, but this is the Merge series for the OnePlus 7, and I want to thank them so much for sending this out. This is super cool. And you guys can follow me on Twitter at Android Stud, also on Instagram. Like, subscribe to the channel if you don't mind. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro. We're gonna hear more next week on these devices, but until then, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.